Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
We're looking south of Wairika at a pretty strong thunderstorm that's rolling through Siskiyou County. Take a look at the satellite and radar imagery. You can see that strong cell to the south of Wairika in the Gazelle area. We're seeing some pretty heavy rain with this. Grenada as well. A lot of lightning and potentially some gusty winds and small hail with that cell. Another storm just to the south of McDowell, also producing some heavier rain and quite a bit of lightning. Up to the north, we're seeing more cells firing up in southern and also southwest portions of Siskiyou County. We're getting a storm right now in the Applegate Valley near Williams, and some of these storms could work their way into the Rogue Valley into this evening before things start to wind down. The east side, nothing too terribly impressive. A few cells up by Chemult, but that's about it. And then expanding the view, you can see a lot of the action is mainly right now in Siskiyou County and into portions of western Modoc County. Red flag warning goes until 11 o'clock tonight. The big concern with these storms is a lot of lightning that could spark new wildfires, as well as gusty storm winds, helping to also spread new and existing fires, including some of the fires in Siskiyou County, like the Yeti Complex and the McKinney fire. We'll be watching that closely. There's still the potential, though, that if one of these showers, that one of these storms sits over the same area, especially over a burn scar, we could see some debris flows and flooding. A flash flood watch goes until 11 o'clock tonight for central and western Siskiyou County. We got a lot of moisture for these storms to work with dew points getting into the 60s, even 70 in Mount Shasta. That's tropical feeling. So there's a lot of moisture, and that's why we're seeing such heavy rain with some of these storms, and also a lot of lightning. Currently 97 in Grants Pass, where we've seen some wet weather, though things have cooled off. 76 in Lakeview, 75 in Mount Shasta, 80 in Klamath Falls, starting to rebound now that we've dried out. Breeze is picking up in Montague and the Basin. We do expect some pretty blustery winds for tomorrow as well for the region. Taking a look at air quality, some unhealthy air quality right now in Wairika, otherwise moderate. The wet weather we've seen in recent days has kind of tampered the smoke just a bit, but we'll have to see what happens later this week as we dry out, temperatures heat up. These fires could start to flare up and smoke will continue to be a bit of an issue for inland areas. But tonight, otherwise, down to 70 in Medford, 56 in Klamath Falls, down to 58 in Mount Shasta. We will be seeing the thunderstorms wrapping up later this evening. Tomorrow, a pretty hot day. Highs well up into the 90s in our west side valleys, up to 92 in Klamath Falls. Winds will be pretty breezy throughout inland areas, and we'll have the chance for some more storms, especially into Siskiyou County and over on the east side. But the Rogue Valley likely staying dry the next few days. Some pretty hot temperatures with highs well up into the 90s through the end of the work week. And up into the mountains, though, may see a shower thunderstorm again tomorrow. And then again on Friday, we'll be watching that quite closely. Here's a look at Stormcast showing the storms wrapping up later tonight. And then tomorrow we'll be watching Siskiyou County for portions of the Cascades and over on the east side for some spotty thunderstorms. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, shaping up like this. Brighter skies for the coast as we wrap up the week, as well as some winds picking up, especially Thursday. Temperatures in Brookings could get above 70. Northern California, the chance for more storms tomorrow. A slight thunderstorm chance, maybe Thursday or Friday. But the weekend just looking plain hot. We'll have to see how smoke plays out. We could still be dealing with smoke later this week into this weekend, depending on how these fires react. For the Basin, more storms tomorrow. Slight chance of a thunderstorm on Friday. The mountains really starting to see things heat up this weekend. At this point, the forecast looking dry. And then for the Rogue Valley, after tonight, the thunderstorm threat looks to pass us in the valley, but the big concern will turn to some heat. Temperatures in the triple digits, it looks like, as we head into the weekend.
All right, so definitely a lot to look out for then.
Yes.
All right, thank you, Matt. Appreciate it.